Forget to hit that subscribe button because I bring you the best tools and strategies to build a passive income online. In this video, we're diving deep into an exciting PLR private label rights coloring page pack featuring over 500 adorable, ready-to-use dog and cat designs that you can sell instantly and profit from. Sounds interesting? Let's get started. So, what exactly is this 500 plus dog and cat PLR coloring? Well, it's a collection of professionally designed, high-quality, black and white illustrations of cats and dogs, all packaged neatly for you to use in your business. The best part? You get full PLR rights, meaning you can edit, modify, brand, and even resell these pages as your own, legally. This is a done-for-you digital product that takes away all the hassle of designing from scratch, saving you time and money. Now, you might be wondering, who can benefit from this pack? Well, it's perfect for Etsy sellers. If you run a digital shop, these coloring pages are a hot seller. Printables are booming right now. Amazon KDP publishers. Upload these as low-content books and start earning passive income effortlessly. Bloggers and digital entrepreneurs. Use them as lead magnets or freebies to grow your audience. Parents and educators. Keep kids entertained with creative, screen-free activities. Artists and designers. Customize them to create your own unique versions for sale. No matter who you are, if you want a simple way to monetize digital products without technical skills, this pack is for you. Okay, so why is this product in high demand right now? Well, let's talk market trends. Digital coloring books and printables are booming on platforms like Etsy, Amazon KDP, and even social media shops. People love them because coloring pages help reduce stress and anxiety. Big market for adults, too. Parents are always looking for engaging activities for their kids. Printables are easy to download and use instantly, no shipping required. Sellers love them because they're low-cost, high-profit digital products. The best part? The pet niche is evergreen. Dog and cat lovers will always be searching for cute, fun, and engaging content, making this a recession-proof business opportunity. So if you want to cash in on this trend before everyone else does, now is the perfect time. Now that you know what this product is and why it's in such high demand, let's take a closer look at what's actually inside the pack and how you can use it to make money online. Stay tuned. All right, let's dive into the exciting part. What exactly do you get inside this 500 plus dog and cat PLR coloring pack? If you're looking for high-quality, done-for-you coloring pages that you can sell or customize for your business, you're in for a treat. Number of pages included. Massive collection. First off, you're getting a huge collection of over 500 professionally designed dog and cat themed coloring pages. These aren't just basic sketches. They are high-resolution, intricate designs that appeal to both kids and adults. Whether you want simple, fun images for young children or complex, detailed artwork for relaxation coloring books, this pack has it all. Imagine how much time and effort it would take to create 500 unique designs from scratch. Hiring a designer or buying single designs can cost a fortune, but with this pack, you get 500 plus designs instantly, ready to use and sell. File formats provided. Easy to use. Now, let's talk about file formats. This pack comes in multiple formats, making it super easy for you to use across different platforms. You'll receive PDFs, perfect for instant printing and digital downloads, PNGs and JPGs, high-resolution images that can be used for websites, social media, or digital stores, AI and SVG files, fully editable vector files so you can tweak designs, add your brand elements, or even modify individual patterns. Whether you want to create a printable coloring book for Amazon KDP, sell digital pages on Etsy, or use them in an online membership, these formats have you covered. Commercial use rights, your business your way. One of the biggest advantages of this pack is that it comes with full commercial use rights. What does that mean for you? Well, you can. Sell the coloring pages as printables on Etsy, Gumroad, or Shopify. Bundle them into an ebook and publish it on Amazon KDP. Use them for print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters. Offer them as freebies to build your email list. This isn't just a set of images. It's a money-making opportunity waiting to be tapped into. Editable options. Make it your own. And here's the best part. These designs are fully customizable. If you want to stand out from competitors, you can. Change colors and backgrounds. Add your branding or watermark. Combine multiple images to create unique collections. Resize them for different product types. You don't need any advanced design skills. Simple tools like Canva, Photoshop, or even free editors like GIMP can help you tweak these designs and make them completely your own. How can you actually use this to start making money online? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into next. I'll show you real-world ways to turn these PLR coloring pages into a profitable digital product, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced entrepreneur. Let's get into it. Why this PLR coloring pack stands out. If you're looking for an easy way to make passive income online, especially with low-content products, then you're going to love what I'm about to share with you today. This 500-plus dog and cat PLR coloring pages pack is an absolute game changer for anyone in the digital product space. Whether you're an Etsy seller, a KDP publisher, or just someone looking to start an online side hustle, this pack is designed to save you time and make you money. So, let's dive into why this PLR coloring pack stands out from the rest. 1. Unique high-quality designs. 2. Completely done-for-you content, save time and effort. 3. Fully customizable to match your niche and branding. 4. Ready to sell for instant passive income. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, how you can turn these 500-plus dog and cat PLR coloring pages into a passive income stream. These coloring pages can be a goldmine for your business. Let me show you exactly how. 1. Sell on Etsy, Amazon KDP, or your own website. 2. Bundle them with other digital products. 3. Offer them as freebies to grow an email list. 4. Sell as printables or physical books. So as you can see, there are endless ways to make money with these 500-plus dog and cat PLR coloring pages. Whether you sell them as printables, publish them on KDP, or use them as lead magnets, this is an easy, low-cost way to build passive income. Want to get started? Click the link in the description now to grab this amazing pack while it's still available at a discounted price. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. All right, now let's talk about some real results. Because I know what you're thinking. Does this PLR coloring pack actually work? Can you really make money selling these designs? The answer is yes. And I've got proof to show you. Stick around because you don't want to miss these incredible success stories. First up, we have Emma, a stay-at-home mom who was looking for a way to earn passive income. She purchased this PLR coloring pack, customized a few designs, and uploaded them to Etsy. Within just 2 weeks, she made her first 10 sales. And in her first month, she earned over $350, all from digital downloads. Here's what she had to say. I never thought selling digital products could be this easy. These designs are high quality, and all I had to do was brand them as my own. The best part? I make money while sleeping. Now imagine that. Upload once and keep making sales over and over again. So, what are you waiting for? These success stories could be your story next. If you want to start making passive income with printables, now is the time to take action. Click the link in the description. Don't wait. This is a limited time offer. Grab yours before the price goes up. Pricing and limited time offers. Now let's talk about something exciting, pricing and exclusive deals. If you're looking for a high-quality, done-for-you product at an unbeatable price, you're in for a treat. But hurry, because these deals won't last forever. $9.95 versus $99.50. Right now, you can grab the 500-plus dog and cat PLR coloring pages pack for just $9.95. Normally,